In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your LinkedIn profile in just 5 minutes. Whether you're seeking privacy or just need to take a break from the professional world without completely deleting your LinkedIn account, this guide is perfect for you. First off, start by navigating to the LinkedIn website. Once there, you'll be given the option to either sign in with Google or continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Occasionally, LinkedIn may ask you to complete a CAPTCHA as an additional security measure, ensuring that it's really you trying to access your account. After successfully signing in, locate your profile photo situated at the top right corner of the home page. This small image acts as a gateway to your personal settings and account information, so it's important to start here. Next, click on the Settings and Privacy option. This section is designed to give you control over your account's security and privacy preferences, ensuring your professional presence on LinkedIn aligns with your personal comfort levels. Once in the Settings and Privacy area, navigate to the Visibility section. This part of the settings is crucial for managing who can see your LinkedIn profile and to what extent your information is shared publicly. From there, you will see an option to edit your public profile. This is where the magic happens. By selecting this, you're directed to a page that allows you to control exactly how your profile appears to the outside world, including search engines and people who aren't logged into LinkedIn. Finally, on your right side, you'll find an option to turn off your profile's public visibility. This action effectively hides your LinkedIn profile from being viewed publicly. It's a simple toggle switch that, when turned off, ensures your professional details and activities are kept away from prying eyes. It's important to note that hiding your LinkedIn profile doesn't erase your presence on the platform. Your connections will still be able to view your profile through direct links, and you can turn your visibility back on at any time should you choose to return to a more public sphere. Remember, controlling your digital footprint is crucial in today's interconnected world. Taking a few minutes to adjust your LinkedIn visibility settings can provide added peace of mind, especially in times when you prefer more privacy. Thank you for joining me on this quick tutorial on how to hide your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're looking to focus on the here and now without professional distractions, or simply wish to maintain a lower online profile, these steps ensure you're in control of who sees your professional information. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to navigate your digital life with ease and security.